You understand English when you listen to podcasts or watch movies, but the moment someone asks you a question, your mind goes completely blank. You freeze. You translate every word in your head, but the words just won't come out of your mouth. That silence and that fear end today. Welcome back to day 2 of your 30-day English Fluency Challenge here in the Fluent English Room. If you are watching this, I am so proud of you. You came back. That means you are serious about your dreams. In the next few minutes, you are going to speak 99 real English sentences. Today we focus on the past, the future, and surviving real-life situations. Are you ready to transform your confidence? Let's begin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Speak Up Sessions English podcast. I'm Paul, your English teacher and speaking coach.
And I'm Amelia. Paul, I have to tell you, the feedback from day 1 was amazing. So many people said their mouth muscles actually felt tired from all that speaking.
That is exactly what we want, Amelia. If your mouth is tired, it means you are training. Speaking English is a physical skill, not just a mental one. Today is day 2, and we are going to push even further.
I'm ready. Yesterday, I was a bit nervous, but today, I feel stronger. But Paul, I still catch myself translating from my own language. It makes me speak so slowly.
Amelia, that is the most common struggle. The secret to stopping that translation is shadowing. We aren't going to study grammar rules for yesterday or tomorrow. We are going to speak the sentences until your brain recognizes the patterns automatically.
So the goal for everyone at home is the same. Listen to Paul and then repeat immediately. Copy his rhythm, his speed, and his emotion.
Exactly. Don't be a passive listener. Be an active speaker. We have 99 sentences today, covering past tense, weekend plans, shopping, and meeting new people.
And everyone, stick around because sentence number 50 is another magic key phrase that will help you at work, at school, or even in a new city. Paul, let's start the practice.
Good morning.
Let's start with a classic. Amelia, notice how Paul's voice goes up at the end. It sounds so welcoming. Repeat it now. Good morning.
How are you today?
In real life, we don't say every word clearly. It sounds like, how are you? Try to copy that natural flow.
I'm doing great, thank you.
This is a much better response than just, I'm fine. It sounds more energetic and professional.
What did you do yesterday?
Now we are moving into the past. Listen for the word did. This is a very common question for friends and colleagues.
I studied English yesterday.
Notice the D sound at the end of studied. It's a soft sound. Don't say study ed, say studied.
I watched a video online.
The ED in watched actually sounds like a T. Listen carefully. Watched. Repeat it with Paul.
I ate dinner with my family.
Ate is the past of eat. This is an irregular verb, so you just have to remember it. Say it clearly. I ate dinner.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
We're looking at the future now. Plans is a great word for making conversation with friends.
I'm going to visit my friend.
I'm going to is the most natural way to talk about a plan you already have.
I'm planning to stay at home.
If you don't have big plans, this is the perfect sentence. Focus on the word planning.
Can I have a chicken sandwich, please?
Imagine you're at a restaurant. Can I have is polite and very common. Don't forget the please at the end.
I'd like a glass of water, please.
I'd like is the professional version of I want. Use this to sound more fluent and respectful.
Where is the train station?
This is a survival sentence for travel. Notice the TH in the. Put your tongue between your teeth.
Excuse me, can you help me?
This is the most important way to start a conversation with a stranger. Say it politely.
Thank you so much.
Use your emotion here. Show that you are truly thankful.
I really appreciate it.
This is a higher level way to say thank you. It makes you sound very fluent. Repeat, I really appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Use this when you meet a new person. Keep it short and smooth.
I'm a student.
Or you can say, I'm an engineer, or I'm a manager. Say your own job or status.
I'm learning English.
This is your journey. Say it with pride.
It's challenging, but I enjoy it.
Challenging means difficult in a good way. This is a very natural way to describe learning.
I want to speak fluently.
Repeat the word fluently carefully. Fluently. It means speaking without stopping to translate.
I practice every day.
This is the secret to success. Repeated with Paul. I practice every day.
I'm making progress.
Every sentence you repeat is progress. Feel that success while you speak.
I feel more confident now.
Say this with power. Even if you don't feel it 100% yet, saying it helps you believe it.
I don't give up.
This is our motto. Never give up. Repeat it again. I don't give up.
I believe in myself.
Confidence starts inside. Say it out loud to the mirror.
Hello, how have you been?
This is for a friend you haven't seen in a while. How have you been covers the time since you last met.
I've been good, thanks.
I've been good is a standard and friendly response. I've been is short for I have been.
What have you been up to?
This is a very common idiom. It just means, what have you been doing lately?
I've been really busy with work.
Most people use this. Focus on the Z sound in busy.
I'm happy to hear that.
Use this to react to a friend's good news.
Do you want to grab coffee sometime?
Grab coffee is a casual way to suggest meeting. It doesn't mean you will literally grab it with your hands.
I'd love that.
A very enthusiastic way to say yes.
How about this Saturday?
Using how about is the easiest way to suggest a time or a day.
Saturday works for me.
This means Saturday is a good time for me.
Let's meet at 3 p.m.
Be specific with time. Use the word at before the time.
See you then.
A common way to end a conversation after making a plan.
I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Imagine you are shopping. I'm looking for tells the shop assistant what you need.
What size do you need?
This is what the assistant will ask you. Listen for the word size.
I need a medium, please.
You can say small, medium, or large. Practice your size with Paul.
What color do you like?
Another common shopping question.
I like blue.
Or I like black, or I like red. Choose your favorite color and say it.
Can I see the blue one?
Use this when you want to look at a specific item.
Would you like to try it on?
Try it on means to put the clothes on to see if they fit.
Yes, please.
Always be polite.
Where is the fitting room?
This is the small room where you change clothes in a store.
It's right over there on the left.
Practice your directions. On the left, on the right, or straight ahead.
Thank you for your help.
Use this when the assistant has been useful.
You're welcome.
The standard reply.
Could you help me with this?
Sentence 50, the magic key. Paul, tell them why this is so powerful again.
Because it's the universal bridge. If you are lost, if you have a technical problem at work, or if you can't find something in a store, this sentence connects you to a solution. Let's say it with extra confidence. Could you help me with this? I'm looking for the bank.
We are back to asking for directions. Use I'm looking for again.
Is it far from here?
A very important question before you start walking.
No, it's very close.
Close means a short distance.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Straight has a silent GH. Don't pronounce it.
Then turn left at the light.
Be specific about where to turn. At the light means the traffic light.
It will be on your right.
Right also has a silent GH.
You can't miss it.
This common idiom means it is very easy to find.
I appreciate your help.
Use that high-level word again, appreciate. It sounds so professional.
No problem.
A casual way to say you're welcome.
Have a great day.
A warm way to say goodbye to a stranger who helped you.
What's your favorite hobby?
Let's talk about fun things. Hobby is something you do in your free time.
I like watching movies.
Remember, after like, we usually use the ing form, watching.
What kind of movies do you like?
What kind asks for the category, like action, comedy, or horror.
I enjoy action movies.
Use enjoy to sound more natural than just saying like every time.
Have you seen any good films lately?
Lately means recently. This is great for small talk.
Yes, I saw a great movie last week.
Saw is the past of see. It's an irregular verb. Repeat, I saw.
It was very exciting.
Use exciting to describe the movie. If you feel the emotion, you are excited.
Do you like music?
A universal question.
I love listening to pop music.
Never forget the to after listening. Repeat, listening to.
Who is your favorite singer?
Who is for people. Who is your favorite? Say their name now.
I don't have a favorite.
This is a very common and honest answer.
I enjoy many different styles.
Styles or genres. It shows you are open-minded.
That's interesting.
Use this as a reaction to show you are paying attention to the other person.
I agree with you.
Use this when you have the same opinion.
I'm not so sure about that.
This is a very polite way to disagree. It sounds much better than saying you're wrong.
How's work going?
Asking about someone's job or projects.
It's quite busy lately.
Quite means a lot or very in this context.
I have a lot of meetings.
This is a very common office phrase. Focus on the T sound in meetings.
I'm working on a new project.
Working on means currently doing.
It's very challenging but fun.
Using but shows a contrast. It's hard, but it's good.
I'm tired after a long day.
We all feel this. Use a tired voice to sound more natural.
I need to get some rest.
Get some rest is more common than I need sleep.
What's the weather like?
The king of small talk. Use this with neighbors or at the bus stop.
It's sunny and warm.
Beautiful. Feel the sun while you repeat it.
I hope it doesn't rain.
Doesn't is the contraction for does not. Listen to that Z sound in the middle.
It's a bit chilly today.
Chilly means a little bit cold.
I should bring a jacket.
Should is for advice.
I feel great today.
Energy. Say it with total power.
I'm getting better every day.
This is the truth. Repeat it twice.
English is not so difficult.
Change your mindset and the language will follow.
I can speak English.
Say it like a fact because you're doing it right now.
I believe in myself.
This is 50% of fluency. Trust your voice.
I will not give up.
Our challenge motto, keep going.
This challenge is helping me.
Acknowledge your hard work.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Looking forward to means you are excited about the future.
Day 3 will be amazing.
Almost at the finish line for today.
I did a great job today.
Yes, you did. Give yourself a mental high five.
Thank you for practicing with me.
A polite way to end our session.
See you tomorrow.
Sentence 99. You did it.
99 sentences. Day 2 is officially complete. How do you feel? You should feel incredible. You just practice past tense, future plans, shopping, and even directions.
I am so impressed by everyone who stayed until the end. Paul, I think we should remind them that they don't have to be perfect.
Exactly, Amelia. Fluency is not about perfection. It's about communication and showing up. You showed up today, and that is a massive victory.
Before you go, we have a challenge for you. Down in the comments, write this sentence. I completed day 2 and my confidence is growing.
We read every single comment. When we see that phrase, we know you're part of our global Fluent English Room family.
And if you want to make even faster progress, watch this video one more time later today. Repetition is the mother of skill.
If this lesson helped you, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You don't want to miss day 3, where we will dive into talking about your favorite things and how to sound even more like a native speaker.
Thank you for practicing with us. You are capable of amazing things.
Keep speaking, keep believing, and we will see you right back here tomorrow for day 3.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.